Welcome to xhosa predictors. Namhlanje sizothetha nabalandeli be-xhosa predictors. If you follow this channel, there's no doubt uzaba a millionaire, because when you bet kufuneka ube consistent. You don't bet expect uba uzobetha namhlanje uwina namhlanje. The more you follow the content and you bet, the more you become a millionaire. It's how the gambling is all about. When you gamble, you don't gamble to win now. You gamble the more udlala, the more chances of winning you increase. But I promise you never play 10 games or more ungakhange win. From 1 to 10 games, definitely khona games I win imali and now unqume. So we know, because as a strategy sindlalela zona, we don't take too long uba maswine. Yes, siyaloser, but most of the time we are consistent on winning. Why we open this channel? Because ndifuna nibe millionaires.
Thank you, Mr. Klaas. Thank you very much for having me in your xhosa TV predictors. It's true what you are saying, but you are calling your own ugly word when you are saying gambling. But I take it as an investment.
Yeah.
We are investing. Now we are helping all African or South African people who want to invest in Betway or Betting World, Hollywood. It's either you play any number, or you play numbers, or you play soccer. We have everything here. He help you with numbers, I help you with soccer. There's another one who will come and help you with soccer and numbers also. We are predicting everything here. Now, because sometimes you take your 10 rand to buy a cigarette, but if you can take that 10 rand and put in our 3 to 4 odds or on a lot of numbers, you can get richer and you can get money. Or you take your 100 rand to alcohol. Just imagine you take that 100 rand to our 15 odds, you get 1.5 for 100 rand. Just imagine. Now we want to take all that thing of using money on unnecessary things. Just imagine now you have your numbers, you win, because that lotto that is predicting is paying a lot. Now you use that money, or 10 rand or 100 rand to his numbers. You get more than 20,000, just imagine. So we're trying everything to help our brothers and sisters to invest. We know there are a lot of people who like to invest. I call it gamble, but I call it gamble. I call it investment. Now they like to invest, others they like to put on gambling. You can say that. Now we are helping each other. We know you have ideas, we have ideas. Take our odds or take our predictions. Take the teams that you think they maybe you don't trust it, and put the team that you trust in our tickets. It will help you. Don't take everything sometimes that you are putting. It's the same as numbers. You can take these 2 numbers and add your number, or take 1 number and add your number. It will help you. This is how we are predicting. Thank you very much.
And before we go, the next video is the types of indawo zokubhetha ezikhona. Okay, uvula njani account, and then iphi yona if ulapha eWestern Cape indawo yokubhetha, because it's very important now to bet online. It's very, very important, so that ungayo follower each unless ubupha. But most gamblers now are playing online. Now in the next video we'll teaching you about that. Thank you very much.
Another thing that I can add only, as we are opening a season now, automatically there are a lot of leagues that are already open in the world. Even English Premiership next week on the weekend is going to be open. Now what I will do, I want people that will go with us. We're not going to create a lot of odds, because we hate that thing of losing. But when you create small odds, like 2 odds, 3 odds, not more than 4 odds. I'm always saying that 4 odds to 2 odds are 99% chance of winning. Now if you can keep each and every day your 20 rand, your 10 rand, your 20 rand, each and every time we drop odds, that 4 odds you put 20 rand. When we reach June, I promise you, you'll be rich. You'll be driving your own car by that 20 rand that you put every time on Betway. Thank you very much.
Thank you.